This is the journal I made for June, Just Junk and Around the House Junk Journal Challenge with Dear Julie. So they used the book cover that I had, and it is the Reader's Digest Complete Book of Gardening. It is a 3-hole pamphlet stitch in a hidden round spine. I have the tassel, and on the tassel is one of my charms, and it has 4 signatures. The digitals I used were Big Blue and Blossom, and I will be going through and pointing out the elements that I made, but not which category they're in. Check out my album to find out which categories I used for each element. This is a cluster, and this is just an extra flip I put in there. All the paper that is in this journal is from the categories. This is the belly band and the tag with the job is there, and this is a flip. An extra double tuck here. I used a lot of pages from this book, and it has like some nice vellum pages. This is my flip up envelope with 4 pockets and inserts. So there's 2 recipe cards and there's 2 tags. One of the edges, and this one can be a tuck on this side. The second signature starts with my fabric flip, and it has quite a few pages underneath it. And then this is just an extra wrapping paper page I put in there. Another edge. And this is the angle flip pocket. And it has just an extra journal card in this pocket. I used 3 privacy envelopes in this one. And there's your flip. And the postcard is in there. Some extra pages. Third signature starts out with some more of that book pages. Then I have the double pocket page with tag. This is just an extra pocket and tag, but this is the actual pocket page in here, and this is the tag, and this is its job, is to hold that card. Double tuck with 3 inserts, little book on that one, and this is a journal card that also has some pockets for some little tucks in it, pockets rather. And the third one is this one, and it is a photo album page, and that is its job, is to hold that. And this is the tag. And flip flop. Just an extra piece of paper again. I tucked a few extra things from the desk. Another edge. So it worked out that there was 8 pages, so I put 2 in each one of these signatures. Another edge. is the flip up, flip down pocket with tag, and there, and the tag is here, and it's 2 of the memo sheets put together. Lots of room for writing. And I held it together. That one's office. You can tell it's office, can't you? Alright. And now we are getting to the fabric pocket. And I used a hanky there. And there's a little tag here, and in it holds a little journaling card. And then on the back, I flipped up the hanky. There's 2 more edges left over that I did not put in. And I have made the rest of the clusters into ready clusters. And I have 5 more of the dangle charms with from Broken Jewelry. And that is my journal. Thanks for watching.